Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the App Store and signing in with the Apple ID linked to purchases. Once signed in, tap your profile and choose payment methods. You need the card number, expiry, CVV, or a PayPal login. Have the precise billing address ready. If two-factor authentication appears, complete verification now. This first step ensures changes apply to the correct account and prevents delays when adding a new method. Next, select Edit and then Add Payment Method to enter a new card or choose PayPal. Type card number and billing address exactly as your bank has them. Small mismatches cause failures. Once the new method is added, drag to reorder or tap Remove on an old method you no longer want. Make sure the primary card is valid for subscriptions. Otherwise, auto-renewals can fail. Save changes and watch for immediate validation. Finish by confirming the App Store shows your new primary payment method and look for a temporary authorization charge from your bank. If the method does not appear, sign out and sign back in to refresh account settings, then check again. If the card is declined, contact your bank to authorize digital or international transactions. This is the single most common failure point. Once authorized, retry. Successful validation means
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.